Warrior Plus is the best platform for beginners. I'll show you one of the strategies to make money with Warrior Plus. You do not need a big audience like other affiliate programs. I'm going to assume that you are a beginner and you do not really want to spend money to make money. And that's fair enough. So, we'll talk about the free way that I believe Warrior Plus is the best for beginners. Okay, just click on the sign up button and put your username, password, and email and confirm that you are not a robot. Okay, you will be directed to your account, and this is my account. I have already created the account. Your dashboard will look like this. Here you can find top products for today, yesterday, last 7 days, and last 30 days. And you'll find different offers for affiliates. Just click on the offers and you'll find lot of offers. To start promoting a product, first of all, you have to get permission for promoting the product. To start promoting a product, you have to send the request to the owner or the advertiser of the project. And after approval of the request, you will find get link. Just click on the get link, and this is your affiliate link. Okay, when you will get this link, you will go to a website called bit.ly.com. This is the best website where you can shorten your links. You have to shorten your link because a lot of people they just ignore the affiliate links. So after getting your shortened link, you can promote it on different platforms, social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Medium, and Quora. So Quora, it is the best website where you can promote your product for free. It is an answer question website where people go to find information. Okay, after getting your link shortened, just copy it and go to the social media websites and social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Quora, Medium. Today I'll show you the best website, that is Quora. You can check that millions of people have visited this website. It is an answer question website where people go to find information and you can get traffic for free. You can see that in last 3 months millions of people have visited this website. So just go to quora.com. After creating account for free, you can add questions, answer the questions, and also comments in the comments section and paste your link. People will click on your link and you will earn money. So just as an example, I'm searching here make money online. Okay, make money online. Here is the space. Here you can put your link in the comment section, like here I can write the ways to make money. Click on the link. just paste your link here. When you will paste in your link here, just add comments. Here is your link. Just click on the link and it will direct you to your landing page. So you will find, if more people click on your link, you will get maximum chances to get paid. That's all.